What's up, YouTube? Back again. Wanted to show you what the Kraton has been done to so far. So we got that beautiful M2c chassis braced out, all them braces, even more over here. Super thick monsters. Already got some thick bracing on there and right here. M2c motor mount, 8mm. And you see what we got here finally. Max 5 up in there, looking all good, looking good. I ain't glued that down yet, but as you see it, pretty little boxing. $1340 kV. Let's check her out. This is a big motor, man. It's not long. It is long, but it's not like the Castle 2028 long. But it's fat like a tuna can. Ain't got no length, but it's got that girth like a tuna can. I can't even put my whole hand around. This thing is fat. Super fat. Like 58mm can by 92. 1340 kV, so this should get it moving. It's pretty big. It's gonna be pretty big in there. It's not much room. Well, you can fit the 1100 kV hobby wing in there and it's almost touching, so 5892, and then the 2028 is, I think it's a 56112 or 56113. I think it's a 56112. So this one is fatter than that. I got that in my X-Max right here. You can't see it, just put the paddle tires on. But this thing is huge. But the only issue is that I didn't think about is the wires. So I'm gonna have to make an extender, so I ain't gonna be seeing it moving in this video, but when I make the extenders for it to wrap around and go into the motor. And then I got, let me see. Boom. Went to Saga Racing. Got the 27mm and the 30mm gear. So we're gonna see that, and I'm gonna put the, I don't know, man, 1340 kV. It might only need the 27, but I'm gonna try the 27 first, run it, and then throw the 30 tooth on if it's not all it's cracked up to be, if you know what I'm saying. So look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Fits in there nice and tight. Oh, it seems a little too tight. And boom. So let me get that installed and I'll get back to you. Alright. I got the beast installed. I had a hiccup, man. I was nervous. I put the motor mount on backwards, so the top was the bottom. And that thing did not fit. And I'm like, well, let me flip it around and see if it'll fit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's got just a little bit of room up in there between the chassis and the motor. It's barely fitting, guys. It's real close. It's got like 2mm, 3mm, maybe a tiny bit more. Put the extenders on, had to resolder those up. Soldered that, oh wow. That double-sided glue sucked. or that double-sided tape. Y'all hear that power? Did y'all hear the power? And it's not working. That's just a disappointment. Oh, there it is. It's backwards though. You know what that means? Flip it. I'll fix that later. Oh my God, this thing's gonna be a beast, y'all. It's crazy because all these from the factory, they seem to come with a I know y'all see that. That warp is warped already from the factory, so we'll see if they make titanium ones for it. If not, as long as it don't kill bearings like every couple runs, I'm fine. Oh, this is gonna be a powerhouse, man. I think I got the gear mesh right. When you're really revving it, it sounds like it's a little too loose, but it feels perfect, right on point. But I just wanted to show y'all the install. I went with this instead of the 50 or the TP motors, because I never had a TP motor before and everybody was putting them in. But I was told about this because this was a 58 can, so I wanted a fatter can. I wanted to get the biggest as possible with the highest KV. That's what I was going for. So hopefully this thing's a powerhouse. I want to be able to wheelie like I did with the stock system and still have a little bit of gearing options and maybe a little bit more power. So, but you see it, man, it looks beautiful. The red matches. A little silver in the front, silver in for the chassis. It looks good, man. We'll see it in action real soon. Stay tuned, man. I'll have a video out for it, ready to go back out, see what kind of power it's putting out. Appreciate y'all for watching. Till next time.